Welcome to Miles Highway, a trucker's life where every mile tells a story and every success is earned through the journey itself. Out here, the road shapes the driver, challenges build character, and each sunrise on the highway is another chance to push farther, work harder, and chase the pride that comes from hauling the load and living the life of a true trucker.
Filipino Truckers Pro is more than a group or a social page. It is a family built on unity, respect, and the true spirit of bayanihan. As Filipino truckers carving out a life and career in Canada, we understand the challenges that come with stepping into a new country, a new industry, and a demanding lifestyle on the road. That's why this community was created, to make sure no kababayan has to face those challenges alone. Here, seasoned drivers and newcomers come together to share knowledge, guidance, and real-world experience, from understanding Canadian trucking laws and safety practices to navigating long-haul routes, harsh winter conditions, and day-to-day life on the road. We offer practical support on licensing, training, job opportunities, immigration adjustments, and even family life, because the trucking journey doesn't end when the engine stops. Behind every driver is a family that relies on their strength and dedication, and we're here to support them too. Filipino Truckers Pro celebrates the achievements of every member, whether it's completing a tough route, getting that first trucking job, or helping another driver succeed. And when hardships hit, we stand together with compassion and encouragement, always ready to lift each other up. This community thrives on trust and genuine care, reminding everyone that even thousands of miles from home, we can still feel the warmth of being part of a Filipino family. Our mission is simple but powerful: to build a stronger, safer, and more connected future for Filipino truckers in Canada. We honor the sacrifices, dedication, and resilience of every driver who braves the road, and we work together to make this industry not just a job, but a source of pride for every kababayan. Filipino Truckers Pro, united on the highway, committed to one another, and always driving forward as one family.